I know I've been in several places where I've got in the store and I'm like, oh man, did I remember to lock the car? Well, this way that will never happen to you again, as long as you have your key with you. I can show you how your car will automatically lock for you as you walk away from it. So I am in a 2018 Honda Civic, and this is an EX T model. But it's going to be the same for most Hondas, late model Hondas and Honda Civics. So what I'm going to show you today is a lot of them have this key here, and if you put it in your pocket, you know, you don't have to have a key. It's push to start kind of thing. So, but there's a setting where you can, if you have this in your pocket, you don't even have to lock your doors. Your car will automatically lock when you walk away from it, as long as you have this key in your pocket. So you just put the key in your pocket, get out, walk away, and your car automatically locks. So, but that's not turned on by default. I'm going to show you how to turn that on. So we are in the system right now, and you just press home to get to this screen here. Then we are going to go to settings, and we are going to go to vehicle, and then we are going to go to the door window setup. Okay, so there is the door and window setup, and you don't see it there, but you're going to push down on this little double arrow here, and there you go, walk away auto lock. Go inside there, make sure that is set to on. Set walk away auto lock to on. Yes, on has been selected. So there you go. So now when you get out of your car, just take your key with you. Don't even have to push the lock button on your key. You just walk away and you'll hear a beep beep and it'll lock and your car will be good to go. That's a cool feature that's not enabled by default, but I think it's really cool. Comes in handy.